I'm Mr. Boateng Andrews, Headmaster, Kumasi Senior High Technical. I was posted to this school from Osei Tutu Senior High School at the beginning of 2021, January. I'm also a beneficiary of Otumfuo Educational Fund, which was established somewhere in 1999, 2000. But I benefited 2000, 2001. But then I was a student at University of Education, Winneba. Though initially Winneba was not part of the package.
PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
And indeed, when the package came, my name was there. So I benefited from the trust. It helped me in my learning activities, photocopying, and buying of books and others. In fact, the package helped me a lot. And now I'm somebody in society because of the educational fund. I thank the organizers, especially Otumfuo himself, the board of trustees of that educational fund at that time, for helping me to benefit from the package. I'm now also somebody in society giving my quota to Ghana Education Service. I started as a teacher from Ameniampo Senior High School somewhere 2001. Came to Drabin as an assistant headmaster. Went to Otumfuo as headmaster. I was posted back to Osei Tutu Senior High as a headmaster, and now headmaster at Kumasi Senior High Technical in Patase. I like to thank Otumfuo himself, the trustees of the fund, and the late Nana Fiakobi. We thank Otumfuo once again and the board of trustees. I say Aiko for the good work done. Without that scholarship, I don't think maybe some of us will be here at this time, but with the scholarship, this is where we find ourselves. We thank Otumfuo once again.
PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
We are the pride of Africa. We give you all that you need. PAG TV, Abama Mwadisya. Amam running Yakika home. El Futu Samni and Ijike. Yabama Mwagna Mamrediso. And we are one people with one voice, with one history. PAG TV, Abama Mwadisya. And Bakasya Boni Amamira. PAG TV, Abama Mwadisya.
PAG TV, the pride of Africa.